Hey guys, I recently had a question. Can I consume watermelon on a ketogenic plan? Okay, so let's just talk about that. There's two things that you need to know. One is the glycemic index, okay? That is the speed at which sugars are elevated in the bloodstream, okay? That would be considered like if I had a gun right now and I shot a bullet, it's the speed of the bullet. Then you have also something called the glycemic load. And this is the quantity of carbohydrate. So that would be how many bullets coming out. So the glycemic load is the glycemic index times the digestible carbohydrates divided by 100. Okay, so it's just a value. Less than 10 is on the low side. So watermelon has a low glycemic load, but a pretty high glycemic index. Now, here's the thing. If you consume larger and larger amounts of watermelon or any food, this gets multiplied. So with the glycemic index, this pretty much stays the same effect, but adding more quantity will increase this. So if you keep a small amount, you're going to be okay as long as you stay within your net carbs. And one last point I want to bring up. If your metabolism is really slow, you want to avoid watermelon and even avoid the berries and not even give into that. But for most people that have a relatively good metabolism, they can get away with a little bit of watermelon and some berries. All right, thanks for watching. Hey guys, a quick survey question. I want to know what topic you would like me to do a video on. So each week I'm coming up with different types of videos, but I would rather have you tell me what you're interested in. So I put a link down below. Please fill it out.